Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone, and right here at the device list we can see it. So then you just open the charging case and it will reconnect to your phone. Now check, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, also we need to check gestures. So open the application, click on your earbuds here, and then go to gesture control. So sometimes it happens if your gesture is set to none, as I have right now. So if you have the same, just click on it, choose something else and check, maybe it fixes your problem. And also what I can recommend it to you is to ensure that your tap on the touch controls area. So the touch controls area are located right here and right here, where we have Huawei icon, and just tap on it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!